Hey lovelies, what's up? Welcome back to another video. It's your good friend Kish and I'm glad to have you here today. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this juicy, full of flavor, seasoned to perfection, oven baked whole chicken. Once again, this was very easy, very hands off. You just season it and put it in the oven. If you think it's looking real good, definitely hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and comment and chat with me down below. So first we start off with a whole chicken, as you can see there, any size that you like. And to start, I'm just going to cut open the back of the chicken, like so, with a kitchen scissors or a knife, whatever you have, and we're just going to open it as flat as we can. After that's done, I went in with the knife and just cut off the pieces that I didn't want, the fat, and I scraped out all the gunk and stuff like that out of the bones because we don't want to eat that. And then I just used the knife to poke some holes into it, and that's just to take in the seasoning real good. And now I'm going to add some olive oil to a bowl, and then some melted butter or ghee if you like. And to that, I'm going to be adding some Walker's Wood jerk sauce, you already know, and then some powdered seasonings that I like to use: paprika, chili, some dried thyme, garlic powder, onion powder, adobe seasoning, you know the whole works, some fresh parsley, dried thyme, rosemary leaves, and some freshly crushed garlic. And I'm just going to add that in to the mixture. And then I'm just going to give that a good mix, get everything all combined together. And it's going to be making a delicious sauce to coat our chicken, to season the chicken with, and that's how it's looking. And then I'm just going to flip the chicken over, and I'm going to season the inside of the chicken first. As you can see, I also poked some holes on the inside of the chicken too. And then I'm just going to pour some of the seasoning on that, as generous as you can. And then I'm just going to rub that into the chicken. And once I was satisfied, I just flip the chicken back over, front up, and then I'm just going to repeat. Get it all nice and covered up with the seasonings. And I'm just going to rub that in. This is also very important. You lift up the skin of the chicken and put some of that seasoning under there. That's just going to let your seasoning be on the chicken for sure. And then I just push my hand upwards to move the seasoning up to make sure it's really into the chicken. And then I just rub the remainder of the seasoning on the top and just put it everywhere that it can go. Now once I was satisfied with the seasoning on the chicken, I just went ahead and put that in a casserole dish. You can use any baking pan that you have, and I'm going to stick it in the oven on 350 for about 1 to 1.5 hours. But before that, I'm just adding some broth. You could use either beef, chicken, or vegetable. That's just to keep the chicken from sticking to the pan and to add moisture, and of course make your gravy. And there you have it. The chicken is done, looking golden and beautiful. Guys, it was absolutely delicious. It was full of flavor, all the good flavors. I hope that you guys enjoyed and you're liking the look of this too. Definitely don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And now it's time for me to eat. So now it's time for me to go in for a taste test, and I already know it's popping because I put my everything into this chicken. Everything, okay? You can definitely pair this chicken with some rice and broccoli, you know, or over some sweet potatoes, some roasted potato. anything of that sort. But I went ahead and did it with some rice and peas, some broccoli, and carrots. So let's try it. Just like that, you will have an amazing dinner for your family. It won't disappoint. Definitely check it out. Make it at home. Give it a try. I trust that you will enjoy it. If you love chicken, like chicken is never wrong. Chicken is never wrong. So, if you enjoyed this video, you think this chicken is looking really good, definitely give the video a thumbs up. Also, comment down below and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't yet subscribed, like what are you waiting for? All right. So, until next time, take care. Thank you for stopping by. I love y'all. God bless. Mwah. See you in the next one.